Do you know why Buddhist monasteries ring the bell 108 times on the Lunar New Year's Eve? What's the meaning behind it? On the Lunar New Year's Eve, the last day of the 12th lunar month, Buddhist monasteries traditionally ring the Buddhist bell 108 times to bid farewell to the past and welcome the new year. According to Buddhism, human beings have 108 kinds of afflictions. Correspondingly, each of the 108 strikes of the bell on New Year's Eve symbolizes the removal of these 108 kinds of afflictions in the past, present, and future. On February 9th, 2024, Friday, starting from 9 p.m. GMT plus 8, Dharma Drum Mountain will hold the Lunar New Year's Eve bell ringing ceremony at the Dharma Drum Mountain World Center for Buddhist Education in Taiwan to bring blessings. The bell, weighing 25 metric tons, with the entire text of the Lotus Sutra and the Great Compassion Mantra engraved inside and outside of it, will be rung a total of 108 times. We sincerely invite you to watch the live stream of Dharma Drum Mountain's Lunar New Year's Eve bell ringing, as well as pray for the blessing of the world together.